Hey there, today I have a quick J.Crew factory haul. So I recently ordered some stuff from J.Crew factory. I was like on Facebook or something and I saw these jeans that I thought were really cute. So I decided to place an order, and to get to the free shipping I had to hit $100. So I might as well make a haul out of it. But anyway, I haven't opened it, so let's open it up together. Okay, so here is all the stuff that I bought, and you can see stripes. Yeah, I'm really into stripes now. Previously, I used to be into a lot of florals, but I've kind of moved away from that. See, 1, 2, 3 clothing items, and I have 2 belts. I actually haven't purchased a belt in years. For some reason, I kind of stopped wearing belts, but now I seem to feel like I need to wear belts. Okay, so here's everything out of the plastic. And I got a really good deal on this order because they had, if you spend, I think it was $150, you get 25% off, free shipping, and I had like a $10 birthday thing, even though my birthday was kind of a while ago. So I got everything for $114.91, including tax. So I thought that was a really good deal for J.Crew factory. And let's hope that the quality is as good as J.Crew. I'm not sure, because I think this stuff is probably made for the outlet, but it does seem pretty good. So it's really hard to say what the actual value for these things are, but let's get into it. Okay, so first off, I got these jeans. And I swear I got the darker wash. But anyway, these look like it's the lighter wash. And these are the petite lightweight drapey cargo jogger jean, and it says the comparable value is $128, and the J.Crew factory price is $49.95. But since I got additional 25% off and I had my $10 birthday thing, I got the jeans for $34.34. So that is a really good price, right, for jeans, $34. And these are pretty cute. They look really comfy. They have like a elastic in the back, and they have elastic here too. The inseam on the petite is 25.5, so I'm typically a 26 inseam, so this should be maybe about ankle. So I think this will be cute, so we'll see. Okay, and next, I got this sweater. And this is the Cotton Blend Polo Sweater, and I got it in a color raffia, which I think it's kind of a nice fall color. I mean, I do live in Hawaii, but you can still follow the fall trends, I guess, in terms of colors. But yeah, so this one, it says the comparable value would be $89.50. The factory price is $34.50. And because I had a discount, I got it for $23.72. And I think that's a really good price. And this is a pretty nice sweater, I think. So yeah, so we'll see. And I did get it in a size small. I don't believe, yeah, they didn't have petite sizes. So we'll see how the small fits. It does look a little on the big side, but we'll see. You never know until you try it on. Okay, next, I got this t-shirt. Yes, another striped t-shirt. And this is the striped girlfriend crew neck tee. The comparable value is $39.50 and the outlet price is $16.50. And because I had the discount, I got it for $11.34. So this is a nice t-shirt. It feels pretty substantial. It does have a little seam in the back, and the stripes do match up, so that's always a good sign. And I did get it in a size medium. A lot of times in t-shirts I do like to size up. I just don't like anything too tight. But yeah, this is kind of a cute basic, 100% cotton. It feels a nice quality. Okay, and lastly, I got a couple belts. And this is the leather perforated belt. And I couldn't figure out, the sizing was weird. They only had small/extra small or medium/large. So I was afraid to get the extra small because I'm definitely not an extra small. So I decided to just get the medium large, and I'm a little worried that that might be too big. And this one, the comparable value was $59.50. The factory price was $29.50 and I got them for $20.28. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty good deal. This is a pretty nice belt, I would say. At least it's leather. What I liked about it is it does have all the holes, so it's, you know, totally adjustable. I do, hindsight, looking at this, how long these belts are, I think I could have probably sized down to that extra small. Kind of depends on where you're going to have your belt. I was thinking I'd have it at the waist side, but I guess, you know, like if you have some maybe mid-rise or even lower jeans, it would be better to have a slightly bigger belt. So anyway, we'll see how these look. Okay, so that was everything I got in my mini J.Crew factory haul. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here are the jeans. Wow, I think these are actually pretty cute. I'm still not sure if I should have gotten those medium wash, which I'd planned to, but the light wash do look pretty cute, I think. Yeah, these are nice. And I feel like the 27 petite is the right size. They're very comfortable. And I really do like that it has the elastic in the back, so it makes it more forgiving. So yeah, I think these are cute. And then the length is looks just right. It is right about ankle. So ordinarily, even for me, even like a petite might be too long because I'm only 5'1". But yeah, these are really, I think these are a good, perfect fit. So also, I did wear one of the belts. This is the brown belt. And yeah, it is kind of long. I mean, you'll see that it ends here. So yeah, I mean, I guess I could have gotten the smaller. So if you're interested in buying this belt, and it is a really nice belt, it seems pretty high quality, might be good to opt for the smaller size. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this belt goes with like a more mid-rise jean. Yeah, because these are pretty high-rise. They fall above the belly button. Okay, so here is the striped t-shirt. And yeah, I think this is a really cute t-shirt. It's very basic. I just have it front tucked into these jeans, and these are actually from J.Crew. These, I think, are the demi bootcut jean that I actually bought last year full price. But I think you can still get them, and I think they're actually on sale now. But I do like these jeans. These are not petite, but since I think they're cropped, they actually fit me okay. But anyway, yeah, and these are like a mid-rise jean, so they're not high-waisted, so they do fall below the belly button. And the belt still is kind of big, so I definitely could have sized down on the belt, but I think it looks okay. And this is a size medium t-shirt, so it is a little oversized, but I like it that way. I don't want it too tight for, this look. And let's see how long it is. So I probably wouldn't wear it out like this because of the proportions, this like cuts me in half. But if you just do a front tuck or a tuck, it'll look a lot better. And I do think a belt will also kind of give you a better look. But anyway, yeah, so I like this t-shirt, and I think the quality to me seems pretty good. Okay, and here is that sweater. And I think it's okay. I like the color and the general look of it. I do feel it's a little on the big side. They didn't have a petite in this one, and this is a little bit big, and it's a small. So just FYI, I guess if anyone's interested in this top. It's really nice though, and I like the weight of it. It's a sweater, and it's kind of a medium weight. And here's the black belt. So yeah, I really should have gotten the small, but oh well. I think I'm just gonna end up keeping this. I don't know if I'm gonna return anything, and it's probably not worth spending $7.50 to send it back. But yeah, I think this is cute. Not sure if this is the look, but you could probably dress this up with a different pair of jeans, like the dark wash. Okay, and here is the sweater front tucked into a pair of black jeans. And these jeans, if they look familiar, are the same jeans, J.Crew jeans, the demi boot cut that I have in that dark wash. I also have it in black, although I don't think I've worn these actually, and I've had them since December of last year. They were like on sale, so I just grabbed them. And I also paired it with some sandals, and I think that gives it a little bit more of a elevated look. But yeah, I think this is a nice top. Okay, so that was everything in my J.Crew factory haul. I thought I got some pretty good deals. I did totally like misjudge the sizing on these belts. I do like the fact that they're leather, they're a nice weight, and they look nice, I thought. I think this striped t-shirt is definitely a keeper, even though I have like a ton of striped t-shirts. You could never have too many, I guess. And I like the way it feels. It's breathable, you know, 100% cotton. So yeah, I think this is definitely a keeper. This sweater, I do think it's really cute. It's a little on the big side, so I don't know if I should try to exchange it for an extra small, but I do like the look of it and the color. And $23.72, so basically $24 is a very good price, I think, for this sweater at this quality. I don't know how it's gonna wash, but yeah, I do think it's nice. And these jeans, I actually really like them. I don't know though if I should try to get the darker wash. So there was a medium wash on these, which I thought I had ordered, but I don't know. Sometimes my brain malfunctions, I guess, and I clicked on the wrong one. And this one's called actually Blue Brigade Wash. Sounds like it would be a medium wash, but I don't know. It doesn't sound like a light wash. Anyway, so this one, $34.34 for these jeans. Excellent price, and these are really comfortable, and I thought they were pretty cute, right? So can a 58-year-old woman pull these off? What do you think? Comments below, okay? But anyway, yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Now I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm going to have my favorite friend, Kaya, help me say goodbye. Okay, and here is Miss Kaya, who is a very, very sweet dog. She is actually, I don't know if I mentioned this before, turning 9 in September. So she is, I think from age 7, they're considered like a senior dog. So it's hard to believe that Miss Kaya is a senior citizen, but she is. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video, yes, a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoyed watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.